So this is the master bedroom. We just finished painting, and now we getting prepared to work on the shower. We got the plumbing done. The light got hooked up. So now we're adding the backboard. Okay, we finished board up the shower. Right now we're making a shower pane. So we start putting in the waterproof Sluter membrane. Here we finish put down the waterproof membrane. So today we start putting tiles on the shower. This is 24 by 48 aqua blue. So we finished for today. Putting up the tiles. We'll try to come back tomorrow and finish it up. It's turned out pretty good. These tiles look really nice. So we just got the niche put up and more tiles. So we're getting close. Okay, we done for today. We'll come back tomorrow to finish the shower. It's about 80% finished. We just got the ceiling and the floor left for the shower. So we got the shower almost finished. We got the outside done. Only thing left is just the shower floor. But everything else pretty much done. So we getting prepared to put down this plastic coupling for heated floor. So now we start installing the heated cable. So here we finish installing the heating cable. So we start installing the towels. So we starting in the closet. So we got the closet finished. Now we're working on the shower floor. Wow, look good, huh? We finished with the shower floor. So today we start tiling the bedroom. This right here is porcelain tiles that look like wood, wood flunk. So we just complete the bedroom floor. Today we start installing tiles for the bathtub. Hey, we're done for today. Come back tomorrow, finish up the tub. So here we just finished installing the tile for the bathtub and the wall. Everything looked good. It's come out really nice. We also got the mirror and the sink faucet installed. So here is the master bedroom finish. Got everything installed. Got a heated floor, lighted mirror. The sink are installed.